Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to do our new Oxford Modern English reading, page number 14. Before starting our work, let's sing alphabet sound with me.
Ants on the apple, eh, eh, eh. Balls are bouncing, b, b, b. Caterpillar coughing, k, k, k. Dolls are dancing, d, d, d. Elegant elephant, eh, eh, eh. Fireflies flying, f, f, f. Girls are giggling, g, g, g. Hunters are hunting, h, ink in the ink pot, e, e, e. Jelly beans jumping, j, j, j.
Well done. Now we'll remember the last words that we have learned earlier. A apple, A aeroplane, A ant. Revise with me. B ball, B bag, B book. C coat, C clock, C cat. Do you remember which alphabet is this? Yes, it's D doll, D dog, D donkey, D duck, D door, D desk. Today we learn the next letter, which is E, and the sound of E is E. E. Now we learn some words that start with the alphabet E. Now say with me. E ear, E ear, E egg, E egg, E elephant, E elephant, E engine, E engine, E eye, E eye, E elbow, E elbow. There are so many words that start with the alphabet A. Now see the other letters, the words that start with the alphabet E. E envelope, E eagle, E eraser, E 8. Now we learn how to write E in 4 lines. For capital E, as we know that all capital letters come in 3 lines. We draw a straight line from the first line to the third line, like this. Then we have to draw a sleeping line on the first line, like this. Then from the middle line, and then draw a sleeping line on the third line. That is how we write capital E, which is very simple and easy. Now have a look how we write small e. Small e is a grass letter, so it comes in between 2 lines, the middle 2 lines. For E, we have to write that we took these 2 middle lines and then draw a slanting line in between, like this. And then we have to write C. Starting from here, we make C and then it looks like E. That is how we write E. Let's have a look another one. We make a slanting line, a small slanting line in between these 2 lines, and then we have to draw C in these 2 middle lines. That is how we write E. E Now have a look. E eagle, E elephant, E egg, E ear. Now practice writing E in your workbook. Now we have learned so many words that start with the alphabet E and learn how to write E in the 4 lines. Now practice all these words at home and write on your workbook. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.